Talbos kamote. Mm. 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 So good. Mm. Mm. Kuhat ka na. Ay, that's it. Kana, let's eat. Let's eat talbos kamote. Mm. Ah. Wow, no good. That sugar. Sugar, man. No sugar. Yeah, the first week. The first week. Yeah. No, it's okay. Kasi yung body. Yeah, I'm gonna call you na ka. May tumatawag sa akin. Daan. Sarap. Saan tayo? Talbos kamote. Baliktan. Wow! Sarap naman yan. House of kamote. Ayos, enjoy. Wala. Oo, ganda yan. Basta exercise, gulay. Hi, Mia. Bagay, hindi kailangan mo pa rin. Ano yan? Tsaka, dapat mag-order ka na yung, ano, medyo pumayat ako. Order. Lunch ba yan? Yes, Mia, lunch. Ha? Oo. Mia, nagbebenta rin ako. Mia, bentahan ko rin yung aking ano, partner. Mia, bili ka nito. Order ka sa akin, pampapayat. Unicity. Pero ano ka, bago ka kumain sa umaga, inumin mo yung isa. Walang kang kain. Tapos yung bago ka mag-lunch, yung balance. Para makot niya yung sugar. Order ka, Mia. Laki ng ha? That's good. Enjoy ka dyan, ha, insan. Ito. Maganda. Unicity. Especially pag ikaw, may kausap din ako sa kabila, Mia. Nag-typical bowl ka. Pero sa umaga, inumin mo yung Unimake. Paggising mo, alas 6, alas 7, kung itong ano. Pagka nainom mo, yun na yung ano mo, morning ano mo. Yun na yung kain mo. Tapos, pagka mag-heavy lunch ka, katulad ngayon, mag-heavy lunch ako, yung sumunod naman, so anong oras na? 1:46 na. Yung balance naman dito. Yung balance, pagka nilagay mo na yung tubig, tapos yung balance na iniinom ko, i-shake mo, tapos inumin mo. Tapos sabay kain ka, para ma-coat niya yung ano, yung, para may tapon, di ba? Lahat. So maganda siya. Search mo. Unicity. Hi there. Hi there. Kumusta ka na? Enjoy ka dyan. I know. Para hindi siya malungkot. Of course. Ayos yan. So, kaya na kayo order ng lechon. Sabay ka. Di ba last year yan? Oo naman. Kaya ano lang, pa isa-isa lang. Hindi na katulad ng dati na ano, na madami. So, di ba last year nandiyan kami? Palm Spring nung bago mag-memorial. Naalala ko. Tama ba? Nandiyan? Last year ba yun? Memorial ba yun? Ano? Think so. Tapos ang kaimayan. Oh. Hey, Marisol!
What?
You come saying. Unicity. Drink. Drink first this one. The Unimate. The first in the morning. Then, no breakfast. Then, before your heavy meal.
Dang, that's a big meal.
But I cannot finish it.
I was gonna say.
The balance. So, but the balance I put it there and then drink it before
Okay.
before
So
you eat.
basically this whole thing, but you
Yeah.
start with this one.
That one's first
Fast.
morning.
Okay.
It's good.
Oh, that's neat.
Look at Kiana. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Well, okay, if it's gonna make me look
You're
like
gonna be
Kiana,
sexy again.
okay. Yes.
Trabaho.
It's gonna get rid of my repos too.
Oh yeah, everything. But the first week, give you a headache
Oh.
because you're trying to, change your. But no 911. Don't worry.
Okay. Not like you.
This one, you know this one? Talbos kamote.
Oh. Okay.
Nilsan, join muna kayo. Paalam muna ako. Yeah. Okay. Kain muna tayo para ma-enjoy. Ating Unicity. Maganda yan. Order ka na, partner.
Hey.
Hi there.
How are you?
Good, you? That's it.
Huh? Enjoy. You told me your kids are nurses, right?
My first one.
Your first one, where is it a he or she?
She.
Where's she working?
Let me. I'm calling her right now.
Oh, sorry.
Let me ask her. I think it's somewhere in Huntington something. It's a clinic too.
It's a clinic.
She don't want to work there.
Is she a RN?
Yeah. Let's see. It's my baby girl. Siana. Just send me a picture right now. Where is it?
She's so young.
She's 28, right? I don't know. Huntington. Yeah, it's a clinic.
It's so hard for people to find jobs right now.
I know.
It's so hard.
She started at MLK,
Really?
but I didn't. She don't like it there. She's always crying,
She was what?
crying. Yeah.
It's stressful.
Yeah, I said it's okay. It's normal if you're new.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's stressful.
Sometimes they're gonna yell at you. That's okay.
Yeah, it's hard
It's
when
good.
you're new.
Mm-hmm.
You have to have thick skin.
What about you?
I have a son. He's actually looking for an RN job.
Oh,
That's why I was asking. And he actually applied at MLK.
I think MLK is not that. I don't know.
It's not, but it's a way to like get started. you
Yeah,
know?
yeah, that's what he said. I think she lasted for like a year. Yeah.
Yeah, which is exactly what they need to move on somewhere
Yeah,
else.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but it's so hard. Like
What about did you try in Downey? There's a lot of hiring in Downey.
where
DMC.
they want Kaiser wants experience.
Really? No, 6 months? No, like 6 months, right?
Yeah, but he just graduated.
Oh,
Yeah, they want 6. It's better now. It's 6 months. It used to be a year.
yeah, I know. But we need a lot of nurses, like young ones.
You know, they do. They make it seem like there's a shortage, but they don't give them the chance.
Really? Wow.
So, yeah, we'll see. Hopefully, even
Try that thing, Huntington. I'm gonna ask my son. My daughter.
Yeah, ask her if they have
Mhm.
a new grad program.
Yeah. How old is your son?
He's 22.
Oh, very young. That's my youngest.
Yeah. 22.
Good. I'm gonna ask him if there's hiring. Kaya na. Anong ano ka? Hospital ka?
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you. Hmm? Hmm. Kaya na. Hiring ba? Hi there. Hiring ba kayo? Sabi yung newly grad. Oo. Talaga? Oo. May naghahanap kasi dito co-worker ko na ano eh. Yung anak niya. Yeah, RN. New grad. He said it's hard to get a job. Go. No pizza. Kumain ka niyan? Sugar. Look at my face. Nag-tin yung face ko, no? Ate, kumusta ka na, ate? Buti naman po. Ayun. Ayun. Yeah. Mana sa akin. Mana sa akin yun pag mabait. Okay. Alright, bye na. Bye. Bye. Love you, love you. Okay, almost done. Hmm? Hmm. Good. Anghang. That's it. Okay, timer end. Bye-bye.